You hold it in your hands for the first time, that sleek box, the promise of something new. You tear the plastic, lift the lid, and there it is, your future device. Clean, powerful, ready. You press the power button, the screen glows to life, a logo appears, and in that moment of excitement, you begin handing over pieces of yourself, without knowing it, without even thinking about it. 93% of people do it. The same gesture, the same choice, repeated millions of times every single day across the planet. A single tap, a silent agreement, and just like that, the door swings open. A pulsing dot. You are here before you've set a wallpaper. Most miss the faint toggle in the corner. The account prompt smiles. Sign in to get the most out of your device. One tap, and years of searches, photos, hesitations flow outward. Apps pre-checked, microphone, camera. Each screen whispers, allow access to make your experience better. Green glows, grey hesitates, 93% tap green, again and again. While you unbox the charger, the system activates. Location builds a timeline where you sleep, work, wander unseen. Shared with partners you've never heard of, updated every minute. That sign-in restores more than photos. It restores your digital shadow. Every paused video, every abandoned cart. The device learns your hesitations. The microphone, that green tap enabled always-on listening. Not recording, but listening. Mention a vacation. Hotel ads appear. Engineers call it predictive assistance. You might call it something else. This isn't conspiracy, it's design. The path of least resistance is the path of maximum exposure. Because friction is the enemy of growth, even when friction protects us. Screens glow with warmth. Let's get started. Stay connected. But where's the warning? This shares your location with advertisers? Buried, unseen. We aren't careless. We feel the joy of a new device, but not the slow erosion of boundaries. One is immediate, the other invisible. And invisibility always loses to instant gratification. That setup window, when the device is still neutral, is tech's most valuable real estate. Because once permissions are granted, they rarely get revoked. But what if you paused? Just 3 seconds longer. Location screen, toggle off. The dot disappears. The phone adapts. It works fine without knowing where you are. Account prompt, tap skip. Not forever, just for now. Sign in later, on your terms. App checklist, uncheck what serves them, not you. Microphone request, tap, not now. The phone doesn't break, it simply waits, 90 seconds longer. But those seconds buy you something rare. A device that starts as a tool, not a tenant. Your phone doesn't have to be a window into your life. It can be a door you choose to open and close on your own terms. The most powerful setting isn't hidden in menus. It's the space between your intention and your fingertip. That pause. That moment of asking why before tapping next. That's where privacy lives now. Not in apps, in awareness. 93% will tap without thinking. You now know the other path exists. How do you set up a new phone? Accept everything at once or check permissions first? Share your approach in the comments and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips.